How to redeem Google Play gift card with Family Link. Got a Google Play gift card but using Family Link? Here's how to redeem it step by step. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store into your mobile device, and then once you're in here, click on your profile, which you basically find at the top right of your screen. So once you're on your profile, select payments and subscriptions, and under that you should find the redeem code button. So click on this and that will take you into this page. So you just need to enter the 16-digit gift card code and tap redeem, and Family Link will notify the parent. Tap approve in the Family Link app to confirm the redemption. After approval, the gift card amount appears in the child's Google Play balance. It can be used for apps, games, movies, or in-app purchases. The fastest way is redeeming directly in the child's Play Store, then approving via Family Link. Parents keep full control of purchases.